Our retractable tie-downs with 3-point static retractable restraint are fitted with floor anchors and short fixed stalk and are available with a choice of plastic or metal cover. When it comes to securing the tie-down to the wheelchair frame, the unwind carabiner and hook fit most wheelchair models. Ensure that a front tie-down has been fitted before fitting the combined Quattro Express Solo. Position the rear combined units so that the carabiner gates face outwards from the wheelchair main frame. Attach the rear combined unit onto the rear anchor points by aligning the button within the cleat to slot on the floor anchors. Slide the cleat fully home and rotate assembly through 90 degrees like so. Extend the webbing and attach the carabiner around the wheelchair frame. The self-tensioning mechanism automatically removes any slack in the webbing. The yellow positive locking label must be clearly visible. Repeat the operation with the other Quattro Express. Final tensioning is achieved by turning the black handles towards the wheelchair until the webbing is equally taut on each Quattro Express unit. Ensure that the yellow positive labels are still clearly visible on both sides. The webbing should create an angle of around 30 to 45 degrees and should be in line with the rear of the frame to hold the wheelchair correctly and securely. The occupant restraint can now be fitted to the wheelchair passenger using the 3-point static occupant restraint supplied. Position the lap belt so that the webbing side with male pin connectors is located on the opposite side of the 3rd-point fixing wall. Fit the static lap belt section, tongue side, into the aisle side stalk. Fit the static lap belt, buckle side, into the window side stalk. Draw the lap belts around the occupant and fasten the lap belt tongue into the lap belt buckle. Adjust so that the lap belt sits low over the front of the pelvis. Disconnect the shoulder belt snap clip from its storage position and draw across the upper body, connecting it onto the static lap belt tongue snap button. Adjust the shoulder belt to comfortably suit the user. To remove occupant restraint, unfasten shoulder belt and lap belt tongue and buckle. Connect shoulder belt snap clip to its storage position. Unfasten the tongues from stalks and remove occupant restraint. To remove Quattro Express Solo, press the yellow button, unfasten the carabiner from the wheelchair frame and guide the webbing into the cover reel. Turn the cleat back through 90 degrees and slide it off the floor anchor point. Repeat operation on the other side and store safely.